Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, I wholeheartedly welcome you to Eat to Live Strong. Today is Sunday, July the 3rd, 2022, and it is day 182 of Multiple Sclerosis, my daily diary. You guys know the whole shebang. I miss you guys, but I'm on vacation and I'm having a blast. I did nothing but cook today, so we are ready for tomorrow's festivities, but we are having fireworks going on at the lake tonight, and they're doing a platoon, a boat parade, and then they will have fireworks. So hopefully I'll get some more footage of that, and then I'll be able to have a video with that if it's not a lot of music and all that other stuff that's going on. Also, I'm going to show you at the end my current situation, chilling here, having a good time on my vacation. Let's see, I felt good today, did pretty good today, nothing to complain. Keep something still is a thumbs up. And as I promised, I was going to come out and give you something every day, even though I am not physically in front of the camera to you guys. So I appreciate you coming in and viewing everything. Let's see, what else is going on? Well, as you can hear in the background, they've already started shooting fireworks and firecrackers and things of that nature. So we're just sitting here enjoying everything. So guys, please like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Click the notification bell so that you are notified each and every time I upload a video. Share me out, because sharing is caring. And if you're not subscribed to the channel, what are you waiting for? You're going to absolutely love it here at Eat to Live Strong, and I would love to have you as a follower. Please also don't forget I have membership. Please click the join button and look at the perks. And if you are interested, please join the membership. I would love to have you as a member as well. And as I always say at the end of each and every one of my videos, God bless you. See you next time. Love you long time. You guys be safe out there. Have fun. And I will see you soon. Love you. Bye.